Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are going to replace a tub spout in the bathroom. Now this particular tub spout that we are replacing has a non-functional diverter pole, so we're not getting water up to the shower head. So that's why we are replacing it. And this is a very easy fix. We went to the store and we bought a universal tub spout. And then with the help of a wrench, we're going to loosen up the existing tub spout, remove it, and then install the new tub spout. So as you can see, we've got a piece of pipe, which is our water supply coming out of the wall. And at the end we have threads. And before we put the new tub spout on, we're going to use Teflon tape on those threads to make sure we get a good seal. So when you purchase a universal tub spout, it may come with some extra parts that you may or may not need depending on the copper pipe or the pipe that's coming out of the wall. Now in our case, the copper pipe that's stubbed out from the wall has male threaded ends, so we won't need any of the extra hardware or parts that came with the universal tub spout. We will just need the tub spout itself. And if you can see inside, we've got threads that coordinate with our stubbed out pipe, so it's going to be easy to connect. As you can see, we used a cloth with our wrench as not to disturb the finish of the new tub spout. Now that the tub spout is installed, we're going to take clear silicone caulk and go ahead and create a seal between the tub spout and the wall. It's very common to have a diverter pole at the end of a tub spout. That's the pole that brings water up to the shower head, and from time to time those do fail. All you need to do is replace that tub spout with the diverter pole and all. It's very easy to do. It's about a 15-minute project and it costs less than 20 bucks. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.